Now let's take a look at another Beamable feature prefab. I've got an empty project set up with Beamable already installed. Let's open up the toolbox and get started. There's a dedicated window Beamable that has several different options. We're going to go into the toolbox. The toolbox is organized into sections, and in each section there are relevant feature prefabs. Let's take a look at the currency HUD. The currency HUD allows players to see their virtual currency in an in-game HUD display. We'll open up the section and drag out the currency HUD. We'll hit play to test it out. Currencies in-game are optional, but they're the backbone of many monetization and business models. There's two kinds of currency that are supported: hard currency and soft currency by Beamable. We've played the scene, and there we go. On screen, we see the gem currency in this game setup, and that I currently have 0. As this player accrues more currency, it would be displayed in-game for them. That's it.